Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on AliExpress app. To know how to fix or how to solve keeps freezing on AliExpress app problem, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to the window or to the app of AliExpress. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors. You can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.